Hi guys, how wanna do? Wanna good? Alright, this is Cooking with Cleo. Alright, today I'm gonna be making some sweet and sour chicken. I have some boneless chicken breast here that I'm just gonna cut up. Okay? So guys, we're just cutting them in bite sizes, okay? This size is good enough. Alright? You can actually cut some a little longer too if you want, like so. You know, mix it if you want to, or you just continue cutting them like that. It's very, very hot right now, seriously. And guys, I already washed my chicken breast, so let me just get that out, okay? I wash it with vinegar and also use some lemon. Okay? Like so. Alright? Like I said guys, I already washed my chicken already, and please guys, whenever you buy meat, please wash your meat. Okay? So guys, using a egg, I didn't break it on the chicken guys, because you know sometimes it spoil and you don't want to mess up your whole dish that you're doing. So always break it in a separate thing, okay? I'm going with that. Going in a little salt, not a lot. Also going in some black pepper. A little garlic powder. I don't put a lot of seasoning guys on my sweet and sour, not a lot, just a little, you know, bring up the flavor so it's not so bland. You know? Some flour here. I'm going to add some cornstarch. For me guys, the cornstarch give it that crispy, kind of velvety taste, you know. If you just want to use flour, you can go ahead right ahead, but I like to add cornstarch. Sometimes I just use the cornstarch only. Oh Lord. Guys, I just want to cut my vegetables here, my bell peppers. Okay. Like so. Again guys. Just repeat the same process with the red one, okay? Guys, just open the onions like so. Okay. Guys, I have some carrot here too, and I have some ginger. Okay, ginger. Also have some pineapple guys. Alright. You don't have to put in here if you don't want to guys. I like pineapple in mine, okay? Your kitchen, you do what you want in it, okay? Make the meal yours. So I'm just gonna start frying my chicken guys. Wow. Okay, this is the first batch anyways. You don't want to get your pot too crowded. Okay? vinegar. Dark slice of and I'm using some chili, some sweet chili sauce as well, okay? Okay. And I'm adding some pineapple juice. Serve this guys over some white rice. You can serve it over noodles too. I'm doing rice today, okay? Have my sauce ready. There, guys. And golden brown. Alright guys, frying on my vegetables now. My carrot is in. Peppers, ginger, and turpentine. Onion. Look how pretty that is. Smelling yummy as well.